Yo, what's up gamers? As you saw in my previous unboxing video for MP-52 Thundercracker, the cockpit canopy came off as I was transforming it, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to try and attempt to fix it. So saying don't use super glue, because super glue tends to mist up and miss all these clear parts, so I'll miss to use super glue. I'm going to use plastic cement. I like to use the Tamiya cement. This is like a typical hobby cement. And apologise for the neighbour's dog. Anyway, so yeah, I like to use the Tamiya cement. It's a hobby cement for plastic model kits. What this cement does, it's like a solvent cement. So it melts the plastic. If it's plastic, it melts the plastic here and it melts the other one, and then it basically melts them together. So it's like a solvent glue. You don't need too much, you only need a little bit, and if it doesn't actually melt the plastic, you'll put a layer on top of it, which is quite thick. It's actually quite a snug fit, so friction alone is going to keep it in place, I hope. So let's see how you go. So with these cements, I prefer the Tamiya one just because it's got a brush on it. I know some people like the needle applicators, but I don't like them because when you squeeze it, it tends to go everywhere. This here, it's like painting. It's like painting. You control how much you have, and you only need a little bit. So, like I said, I'm just going to brush a little bit on the tip here. Put it back in place. Push in. Okay. So put a bit of pressure on it. Go everywhere, and that should be it. I shall report back when I do the unboxing or the comparison anyway between all three seekers. Said I've already got MP-52 Skywarp, so I'll just unbox that shortly, and once I do that, do a comparison. Hopefully this glue is all dried and I'll have a verdict on if this worked or not. I'm assuming it's going to work. But if it doesn't, and I need to do something else, I'll do another video. Anyway, see you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.